All right, guys, here we go. In this video, we're going to go over natural gas. Right now, we're looking at the daily chart of the standard natural gas futures. And from a previous video we did, the last time we did a video, I can't remember how long ago it was, but anyway, we had this red dash line. We were talking about a resistance zone or a potential resistance zone. Here we are today. We got over it, then everything sold off. We're on a time count. So a number of things lining up for a possible, pullback retest here. Not that, we're going to go back to the bottom or anything, but if you're not in yet, don't think really this would be the best place to get in. Possibly look for this little pullback here. We'll see if it's going to be a shallow pullback and then, an additional push to the upside. But we're definitely and obviously coming into some resistance here. Going back, we talked about that in the last video, October of 2020, and then we kind of pushed up into it in February of 2021, consolidated, and the third week in a row finally broke out. So that's an important price level for natural gas. And then let's look at UNG, and we're still long from this breakout candle here. And if you want to learn how to do this stuff, I'll leave a link, in the comments and in the description. But anyway, coming up to the 200 and with that red arrow here, looking for another potential pullback. But we're going to wait for confirmation. There are, more than one factor, indicator, hard data point saying that we're going to pull back. We're going to wait for that to actually happen before getting to, get in, jumping in there on the short side. And then Boyle, a lot of people interested in it. And as you can see, we've hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, going on 5 times now. Normally, I'll go ahead and let you in on the secret. Normally on the third hit, high odds, very high odds probability you're going to get a pullback, which we did. The fourth or fifth is generally like Russian roulette. It could, it could break through at that point. Also, what I'm looking at, you could break through, but that 200 is going to be a solid short, straight running short. Well, I like to say it, but anyway, we're going to see what it looks like up here. If it gets that high into that previous very, very strong resistance zone, because one, we're on a time count, two, we're a little extended above the 20, and then of course that's been a tough area to get over. So again, I don't know if I was going to go long here, I'd wait to see what happens up here, look for that little shallow pullback we call it. In other words, up, down, up. That 3, thank goodness, if you can count to 3, you can make money in this market. If it was any tougher than that, I don't think I could. But down, shallow pullback, down, that's what you look for on the downside, okay? And normally, well, I'll say normally on average, when you do get this pullback or consolidation, this run, as soon as it breaks it, this run will be about average. It's not always to the exact percentage of the previous downside or the upside, up, either sideways or down, then it takes off. This run here will be close to the first one. Just kind of a little FYI there. But anyway, appreciate you watching. If you're interested in learning this stuff, to know how to do this on your own for any stock, crypto, metals, commodity, whatever, the same system works on all those assets, any asset. And also any timeline. If you're a 2-minute trader, hourly, daily, weekly, whatever, same system works. All markets work the same. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check us out, and we will see you on the chart.